Microsoft coming out after the market closes with better than expected profits. Hank, you have to thank Windows 7, the introduction of that operating system, for those results. Now let's get more from Deborah Kostroun at the NYSE. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pim. Yes, after the close, Microsoft reporting that second quarter profit that handily beat analyst estimates after that Windows 7 spurring the first sales increase in more than a year. It seems that more consumers bought PCs last quarter as the economy was improving, and Microsoft is really counting on the Windows 7 to trigger a surge of upgrades by consumers and businesses. The stock now moving up almost 1.5% higher here in the extended trading session. And Amazon reporting profit that beat analyst estimates as shoppers took advantage of holiday discounts and free shipping. Here's some things that Amazon has been doing. They added more third-party sellers who have been listing items on their site. That helped to boost their profitability. The stock has actually been moving around here, and a little while ago it was lower, but now we have Amazon moving handily higher here in the extended trading session. However, some analysts point out that shares have more than doubled in the past year, and they do face some skepticism from investors who say that the company really just cannot sustain the kind of growth that they have been seeing so far. And taking a look at today's session on Wall Street, stocks dropping, sending the S&P to an almost 3-month low. And even though we had a dismal close, markets did not close on the lows of the day. Technology really weighing on this market after some disappointing earnings. Qualcomm, that of course the biggest maker of mobile phone chips. Of course, we talked about them after the close yesterday. They had their biggest loss in almost 10 years, and the stock tumbling after the company forecast its sales lowered its sales forecast for 2010 and also forecast second quarter profit that was below analyst estimates. And then we also had Motorola today. They released their earnings before the opening bell today. They predicted a first quarter loss and missed analyst estimates as handset sales slumped. And LSI, who makes chips for companies like IBM and Seagate, fell today after making forecasts that fell short of analyst estimates. Materials and industrials also could not catch a break today with the sell-off that we saw in equities. And taking a look at a preview for Friday, we do have lots of earnings before the opening bell. Honeywell, Chevron, Mattel, and Newell Rubbermaid, just a few of the names that will be releasing those earnings tomorrow morning. Back to you in the studio, Pim.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the NYSE.